From Cashed Out Cars, and today I'm going to be showing you how to wrap some interior trim pieces with carbon fiber vinyl to give it an awesome look. Let's get right into it.
Start by removing the pieces that you want to wrap with vinyl. Depending on the make and model, or the piece that you want to wrap, this might include simply popping them out or removing screws. A vinyl pry tool like this one will help you remove the pieces without breaking them. For a more detailed explanation on removing interior trim pieces, especially in a Mark V Volkswagen, click on this video. Now let's start actually wrapping the interior pieces with vinyl. First, trace the piece that you want to wrap on the back of your vinyl. Trace it a little bit big so you have room to work and room to fold the edges over. Next, cut out the vinyl. I use scissors to do this for the rough cut. Before sticking your vinyl onto your interior trim pieces, you need to make sure that its surface is clean. This will ensure that the vinyl adheres well. I used an alcohol prep pad to do this. Next, peel the backing off your vinyl and carefully stick it onto your piece. Be especially careful to avoid air bubbles or creases. Now that your vinyl is lightly stuck on, cut off any excess vinyl or where the buttons and gauges will go. It's important to leave a 1/4 to 1/2 inch overlap that will be tucked in when the trim pieces are reinstalled in the car. Now make relief cuts on any curved parts of the overlapping vinyl. To do this, use an X-Acto knife and make slits. This will allow the vinyl to lay nicely over the interior trim pieces when folded without creasing or bubbling. Next, use a hairdryer or heat gun to soften the vinyl so you can press it down into place. Be careful not to overheat the vinyl, as it will become brittle and not as sticky. Do this all around the piece and make sure the vinyl is laying how you want it. Then install the pieces back into your car. The final step is to tuck the vinyl behind the trim pieces to give it a clean, finished look. To do this, slide a credit card or business card in the slot between the interior trim piece and the rest of the car. Also, fix any bubbles in the vinyl. Tucking in the vinyl is the final step to wrapping interior pieces of your car. Here are some shots of my interior with the vinyl wrap.